It'll get cooler, it'll get warmer. It's called weather.
Simply irresponsible.
Democrats,
Basis of science. Science matters.
for science.
Doesn't sound like science to me.
Whoops! I can't vote yet. I'm only 17, so I should probably get out of here. Ah, that's much better. And as long as I'm distinguishing myself from politics, we should probably separate science also. Lately, it's been hard to tell whether the things you hear are true or not, so I'm going to give you a list of facts that are verified true by yours truly. Number 1. We live on planet Earth. This one is easy to prove. Just go outside and look around. Number 2. Our Earth experiences periodic fluctuations in the climate. It has happened throughout history, and the changes are always extremely gradual. Number 3. Our Earth is surrounded by an atmosphere. Also easy to prove. We have weather. And number 4. This atmosphere consists of a number of different molecules, including methane, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and so on. Now, why is climate change dominating the news, and what is global warming? In order to understand global warming, we must first talk about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect explains why the Earth is warm. The greenhouse effect occurs when the sun's rays enter the Earth's atmosphere. The energy bounces off the planet's surface and tries to go back towards space. However, some gases in the atmosphere, called greenhouse gases, absorb the energy. After collecting the sun's energy, the gas molecules release it in random directions. About 50% of it finds its way back towards the Earth, warming our planet. That's the greenhouse effect, but that's not all there is to global warming. History shows that the Earth warms and cools every so often. What's so different now? The rate. In the past, it has taken the Earth 5,000 years to warm 3 degrees Celsius. In the past century, temperatures have risen 0.7 degrees Celsius. That's 10 times faster than warmings of the past. So what's causing this speedy change? This is where it gets controversial. Most scientists agree. Humans. This answer is hotly debated, however. Let me explain. When certain materials called fossil fuels are burned, they release CO2, which makes its way into the atmosphere. This excess of CO2 means more of the sun's energy is being directed back into Earth. The more fossil fuels that we burn, the more CO2 that's released, and the hotter the Earth becomes. And the bad part is that basically everything we do is aided by the burning of fossil fuel. Do you drive to work or school every day? Fossil fuels. Do you wake up in the morning and turn on the light? Fossil fuels. Sorry, I had to cut the list short because we're low on time. But I could continue. It's an inexhaustible list. When it comes down to it, no hot shower is worth taking habitat away from polar bears or killing coral reefs. You can still help. Walk instead of drive. Turn off lights when you don't need them. Saving the Earth won't be easy, but it's not impossible.